The elevator here at M&H.
H&M.
Oh yeah. Solano Town Center. Bing. It's a KONE. Hey camera, how you doing?
I haven't seen KONE in a while.
Mm-hmm.
Long time no see, yes?
Yes. Smooth, huh? This is the MRL, meaning it doesn't have a machine room.
Ooh.
The motor is like up here somewhere. But still needs to be a controller room since this is California. Usually the controller would be mounted like in the door frame, but yeah, it's a nice room. Still has the certificate that they gave them when it first gets put into service. This is a nice sounding Ecodisc. Very well maintained. Minimum scratches.